Trust you, I'm gonna shoot you. Yo, Percocet, yeah. Miley Percocet, Percocet, yeah. Miley Percocet, rep the set, yeah.
What up, guys? Right now, it's another day. I don't know, but I have some bad news. It's school starting in 3 weeks.
Ha! Gay!
And we have to go school shopping. And then we would have to go to, not just school shopping, we would have to go on a school bus. And then my life was good. And then I'm gonna see my friends again. But yeah, but I don't even have any friends, so yeah, bye. But I'm at my dad's work once again. I might be I said today we might be going to, I don't know, I think today we might be going to home or my grandma's house. Hey, Ba? He said he doesn't know. But today we might go to one of those places. But definitely we're gonna go home. But I don't know, after here, I don't know where we're going. And yeah, so see you in the next one. Guys, I'm gonna scare my mom. I'm in the car hiding. And you probably can't hear her. Okay, she left. But when she comes back outside, I'm in the car hiding. I'm gonna scare her. I'm gonna go, ah! Yeah, so today you might go swimming, but I doubt it. And so yeah, we might go swimming, but I doubt it. Alright, peace. What up, guys? Right now, I'm with my boy Hamed. Say what's up. What's good in the hood? Say what's up. What's up? Say what's up. What's up? Say what's up. Say what's up. And right now, we're at the Westlake Recreation Center. And right now, we're gonna go swimming. But I might play some basketball, right?
Yeah.
Basketball is like,
He's a big.
huh? I know. But we're gonna stay until 9:30. Right now it's like I don't know what time it is, like 5? And no, 5.
It's 4.
5. Whatever. I saw us again at the park, and it's so cringe. And I saw her friend. Shout out to them. But
And
yeah,
Ali.
right.
And
Ali.
swinging by himself.
Oh yeah, I heard Ali. Shout out to Ali, the kid that roasted. Like, remember this part?
Look at this dude.
Yeah, you remember that? Yeah. So yeah, right now.
Why is it yellow?
I said yeah. Calm down. Yeah. I know what I'm doing. All right. My last video is bye, bro. But we're on our way walking, and yeah. We're gonna go swimming. What's that? Remember, you know Jake Paul used to live in Wesley? Fun fact, you probably already knew that.
He lives next to us too.
Yeah, fun fact with Elian Herbawi. But guys, tell me, I'm gonna change my name. I don't know if I should change it, but tell me if I should change it to Eli Herb. Yeah, so see you in the next class. Guys, right now I'm at my work with my brother Zachy. He's cringy. Oh, you're cringy too. Yeah. Yeah.
How you doing, guys?
And yesterday I went swimming, but my dad started yelling at us because we didn't want to come here. And like, we never should come here. We're only 5 years old. I'm 5. I'm 29. these two. And yeah, so see you in the next shot.
Jack is adding a new car.
What up, guys? And now I'm with my bird. My bird.
His life mission to bring awareness about this. Most people who are diagnosed only live between 3 and 5 years.
Now, your health alert, sponsored by
But-
Crossroads Hospice and Palliative Care.
I have some bad news. My dad supposedly said he's gonna give my birds away. Take it.
Don't take it out. Don't take it.
I'll take it.
A new study from
And,
San Diego researchers shows
My dad said he's gonna give it back. No, you're not. If you do, this will be you. Right now, I swear, this is gonna be you. Okay, Dad? This will be you, okay? Ready? In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Peter, come join us.
Oh, okay.
Oh, I'm not gonna do that to my dad because I love him, but like, I was joking. So if anyone thought that was serious, you guys are dumb. No offense to you, but yeah, you guys are dumb. And my other bird. I'm so lonely. But I'm gonna end the vlog off here. I might do something else. We might be going to the park later, but I don't even know. Shout out to ABC TV, Omar Mutasser. But yeah.
Logan Paul.
No, shut up. Like, honestly, no one cares about freaking Logan Paul. Okay.
They're already famous.
Oh, wallah. Now they're gonna get 2 subscribers from me. But yeah, our birds so beautiful. Shut up. Sorry, you know how annoying you are? You look like a chipmunk. Yeah, I roasted him. So see you in the next shot. Yeah.
Smoking as a teen can stunt your lungs.
No, he's not doing it. But that's kind of gay what I like. So see you in the next shot.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.